Make sure you salt that water. 4 minutes, get these cooked all the way through, drain them and put them aside. We're making some Cajun Alfredo pasta. Got a little sausage in there, little peppers, all the good flavors. We're just gonna chop these up into little bite-sized pieces. Got that beef smoked sausage because I couldn't find pork smoked sausage, but use whatever you like. Get some olive oil in. Those peppers in. Give them a quick saute. About a minute or two. Get that sausage in there. You're gonna give it a good little frying in there. You know what I'm saying? Get some color on that sausage. Build those flavors. Get that little Maillard reaction in there. And guys, onion would go great in here. But I don't know if you watched some of my other videos, but you know we have a little onion allergy in the house. So I try to avoid cooking with it. But if you dice up like a 1/4 cup of sweet onion, probably go pretty well in this, I'm just saying. Got a little voodoo seasoning straight from Louisiana, New Orleans. I picked this up when we were out there. I'm adding a little bit now. Probably add a little bit later, but it's all part of the layering process here. We have our cooked off pasta. We're gonna go and get that back in there. Let it kind of marry with the fats going on with that sausage and all that. Get this in there, and then we'll start adding our Alfredo sauce mix. And just kind of fold this gently. You don't want to break up that pasta in there. We got a 1.5 cups of heavy cream going in. Let's get that mixed around. Everything's nice and coated. Add a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning. And we got about a 1/2 cup of parm going in. Just give this a nice little mix and keep your burner on about medium. We're gonna let that cream reduce a little bit, tighten up, thicken up in there, and we'll serve this bad boy up. Guys, flavor's insane. The smells in the house right now, insane. This is too easy and too quick of a meal not to make. Y'all gonna love it. Sauce is nice and thick. Got that spicy Cajun seasoning in there. Tons and tons of flavor, guys. Get a little green on there. Yeah, this is creamy Alfredo. Got that spicy Cajun seasoning in there. The sausage bring a little heat too. This is a perfect meal. Guys, I'm gonna give me another bite because baby, you know it's good.